Today, I'm going to explain why you may want to become a freelance trainer. I'm going to tell you the benefits and explain this career option and why you may want to do this. I'm Paul of Simmons Training. 7 reasons why you may want to become a freelance corporate trainer today. The first key benefit is it's the chance to really take control of your own time and where you work from. This is definitely one of the most exciting and one of the most powerful benefits of being a freelance trainer. It can be wonderful to take control and really manage your own time, manage your own work days and where you work from, and it will give you more flexibility. So if you have children, if you have certain things that you want to do on certain days, you take control of your own time. Also, you can choose your own clients, choose who you work for. This can be really empowering. And as a self-employed trainer, don't forget you're only going to spend a certain amount of time in the classroom or in a training room. So you have a lot of time to work from home, or you can choose where you work from. So the rest of the time you can really be working from anywhere. You don't need to spend money and time commuting. That can be a very, very good benefit of being a freelance trainer. And I've already done a post previously on about how to market yourself as a freelance trainer. I will include a link to that below this video, but that post is very, very useful for helping you to understand how to find clients in different locations. And if you want to travel as well, read that post, very useful. Number 2, the opportunity for a good income. Now, when you start off as a freelance trainer, at the beginning, it does take time to build a client base, to build clients, to gain a good reputation. It's not something that necessarily will happen immediately. But as you do build your business as a freelance trainer, as a corporate trainer, if you're a good trainer, you will get a reputation, word of mouth will develop, and you can get some great opportunities, and you can actually make a very good income. So there's 2 main ways that you can make money as a freelance trainer. The first is to organize your own workshops. So imagine you hire a venue, then you start marketing the training, the courses and workshops that you are giving, and then you start charging, such as 2 days for a workshop would be maybe £195 per person. So if you get 25 people, you're making a couple of thousand. You've got to pay for the venue and a few other things, but you can make a lot of money from providing your own training. And this is another post I actually did in the past, how to use meetup.com to provide training workshops as a freelance trainer. That's a fantastic post. The link will be below this video. This post actually gives you some ideas about how to develop workshops in any part of the world using the meetup.com platform. So you can develop your own workshops, or secondly, you can be a freelance in-house trainer for someone else. So you get the contract for a company or business and you become their freelance trainer. You may do it, you can actually do it full time and become an in-house trainer, or you may be a freelance trainer and they hire you each time they need you to come in and give different workshops. So those are the 2 key ways that you could go about being a freelance trainer. Number 3 in the reasons why you may want to become a freelance trainer. So number 3 is a chance to develop your own expertise based on what you teach. So touching on the previous point that we made regards taking control of your own life. If you're a corporate or freelance trainer, it gives you the opportunity to shape your own learning. You can really choose the things that you're interested in, that you yourself are passionate about and that you enjoy talking about, thinking about and studying, and use that as the area of training that you provide. So if you have a real interest, let's say in nutrition, for example, you could focus the training that you provide to be focused on nutrition. And you could study that area, give training. You may want to do some training and get some certificates yourself to become the expert in this area, but you can focus and direct your own career path and the things that you spend your time thinking about and talking about on a daily basis. So you've really got control of what you do and how you shape your own career path. So in other words, you get to spend your time immersing yourself in subject areas that you yourself find very interesting and that you are keen to learn about. Number 4, it's now easier to become a corporate trainer than it was in the past. So this makes it easier as a job opportunity. And the reason is because we're a more globalized society. So it's easier with the internet to market ourselves as a trainer. That does also mean we've got more competition, perhaps, but there are more opportunities to find work as a corporate trainer. And if you are good at what you do and word can get out very quickly on the internet and you can get some great opportunities. Now, let me give you one example of this. And this is Valeria, actually, but she did a PhD in dance heritage. So you can see Dr. Valeria Loiacono. She's done quite a few journal publications, got a PhD in dance heritage, done a few conference papers, won a few awards. So she gets offered the chance to provide training in different countries, different locations, sometimes at conferences, but sometimes to provide workshops. We've had calls from the Middle East, from Australia, from America, from the United States of America. So you do get these opportunities. And one reason that she gets these opportunities is because we have the website here and she's got a global presence. So because of the internet, it's easier to create these opportunities as a trainer. So going back to our point there, in a certain sense, it's much easier to become a corporate trainer. We've got the internet, we can let people know about our expertise. And if you do want to build your presence online, then I will include a link below this video to the How to Start Your Own Business site or blog post, because that can be very useful. It's 7 easy steps on how to start your blog, showing you how to choose a domain name, how to put hosting onto your site, how to write your first blog post. That's very useful. I will include a link below this video. Point number 5, you can download the training materials without having to design them. So now as a career opportunity, it's much easier to get the training materials that you need. So quite typically, you're going to need PowerPoint slides, you're going to need teacher notes, trainer notes, certificates. So considering that you can buy training materials for about £100 or $100, and considering that you can make about 10 or 20 times that, if you have, say, 10 or 20 people in the class, in the workshop, you can see the benefits of buying training materials. Because also it can take weeks. I know that Valeria, who works for Simmons Training, she spends like a month designing each training program. And Valeria is trained as a researcher, has a PhD, is trained in pedagogy, which is teaching methods. So when you're getting training materials designed by somebody who's an expert in creating courseware, this is a great way to go. It can save you a lot of time. So if you wanted to provide a workshop in digital wellness, you could easily buy the training materials. So it's become so much easier to get the materials and to get everything that you need to begin to run your own workshops. Number 6, the chance to travel and meet interesting people. This is a great reason why you may want to become a freelance trainer. If you get bored working in the same place with the same people and are not worried about that kind of structure, and you're happy to go and travel, meet new people all the time, being a freelance trainer can be a wonderful, wonderful way to go about it. You get to meet all the new people that you have in your workshops and in your classes. You meet some wonderful people, some fascinating and interesting people. You can get some great opportunities to travel. I mean, we've had the chance to go to different countries. You get invited to some very interesting places. So you get the chance to travel. If you don't want to travel, you don't have to. You can just choose to give training in your local area. That's not a problem at all. You can still enjoy being a freelance trainer and not travel. But meeting interesting people is certainly one of the benefits. Being a freelance trainer can be very, very good in this respect. Number 7, being a freelance trainer means you can help people to develop. You can help other people to develop. Now, this is very rewarding. You're helping other people, and this can really make you feel good about what you do. For quite a few trainers, it's one of the best aspects of being a trainer. The chance to help other people to develop new skills and to improve their own lives. Very rewarding. No matter what subject area you are teaching, you're helping to give other people the tools to improve their own lives. It's such a powerful thing to be able to do on a daily basis as part of your own work. Now, if you're still interested in being a corporate or freelance trainer, then here's some resources that you may find very useful. So there's the How to Become a Freelance and Corporate Trainer post that you may want to see. Let me just open that. How to Become a Freelance Trainer and Start a Training Business. There you go. I will include a link to that video and post below this video. Another resource you may find interesting is places to find corporate training work. I will also link to that below this video. And we have a page with lots of tools and resources for freelance trainers. Let's open that. As always, that will be linked below this video under further information. And there's a lot of different things there. A lot of different things, a bit of everything there. A lot of tools and ideas. Very, very useful. Also on our site, simmonsresearch.com, that's the home of Simmons Training. If you go to the top menu and click on trainers, you will see a whole load of information there. And you will see lots and lots of posts aimed at you as a freelance trainer or corporate trainer. So lots and lots of resources to help you get started. Well, there you go. There's 7 reasons why you really might want to consider becoming a freelance or corporate trainer. You can see the benefits. I think they're quite clear. Taking control of your own career path and your own workload. So there you go. Please leave your comments below. Positive ones, please. If you want to leave negative ones, do so. Thumbs up are good. Don't like those, but I love those. I will see you in the next video. Oh, by the way, you can subscribe below as well. And I'm Paul of Simmons Training. See you soon.